Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Moneybox. Before we get started, please first go ahead, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. Now let's get started. First, open the Moneybox app in your device and log in your account. Then you will be taken to a screen that'll look like this. Now just simply click its settings. It should be located at the bottom corner of the screen. After that, you will see this interface. Now click Withdraw. Then you will see two options of withdrawal. You can either withdraw cash, which will take 1 working day to complete, or investments, which will take 2 weeks. Choose your withdrawal method and add the amount, and then add payment method. Then wait until you get a notification of your money withdrawal successful. That's it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.